Yeah.
The SLR-LID-2 lid dispenser comes with two different front plates. An A front plate, which will be used more for coffee lids and small dome lids, and what we call our C front plate, which is shaped like a W, which will be used for more flat lids and large dome lids. When loading the dispenser, remove the ring bezel, load the lids top first, screw the ring bezel on. Same thing with the coffee lids. Remove the ring bezel, load the lids top first, twist the ring bezel on. When dispensing, it's just a sliding motion. With dome lids, it's a very simple motion. The intent is just you're grabbing the lid that you're going to use. With coffee lids, you just lift up and pull out. To clean dispenser, very simple. Remove the lid dispenser. The front can pop out for easy cleaning. And you can even take the whole dispenser out for a thorough cleaning. To reinstall, you're just going to reverse the operation. Pop the lid dispenser back in the front. This time I'm going to load in some smaller dome lids. Again, top first. Twist the ring bezel on. And you can see other dome lids twist out of the dispenser very easily.